Hey, there's Josh Pride, the real estate guy, founder of Lionfish Investment Group. Check out what we're looking at today. Had a little bit of a detour. We got a little waterfront property today, but this one's actually pretty cool. We're in Belle Isle, Florida. Got about 1,700 square feet. Let's do a quick little walk through here. We just started the repair evaluation. Tammy, you not gonna give me a little shout out like you did last week?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Tammy. All right, so check this out. You got to get the colors in here, Willie. You got to get the pink colors. This is bedroom number 2. Nice closet. Check this out. I guarantee you everybody's going to miss it. They've updated the windows. But Willie, you got that one, right?
I already got that. That I actually did.
Nice. Here's another bedroom, and it comes with the little girls. Check that out. Check that out. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Here's our bathroom off the hall. For those of you who don't know what kind of tub that is, you might want to leave that one in there. And then we got a master. Check out this master.
This could be nice.
They love the colors.
This could be nice.
Here's your little surprise.
This right here could sell this home if you ask me.
What do you want to do with that? What do you want to do with that space right there? No, I'm asking you. What do you want to do with that space right
I'd
there?
make it a library. If I were moving
That's what I
here, I'd
said.
make it like.
What if I got 2 babies? What if I got 2 babies?
Or a
What
playroom.
if I got 2 babies?
Playroom.
Trying to shake your hand.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, man. I thought you were trying to point to the room, but
No,
yeah.
doing all of it.
Yeah.
So what would you do if you had kids? Let's just use that as an example. If you had a kid on the way, what would you do with it?
Nursery, playroom.
Nice. Nice, I agree. So we got a study, we got a playroom, we got everything in here. This is a bonus I was not expecting. So let's check out this backyard real quick. So again, we're coming to you on our very last property evaluation tour of the year. Got tons of people who are wanting 2019 to be a different year for them. Obviously, I want to be a part of that difference. So if you know of anybody who wants to become a real estate investor, they just don't know how to take that first step, click on the link, come to one of our investor meetings that we have every single Friday or every single Wednesday. We have property tours, we have workshops, we have everything going on the weekends as well. We meet two to three times every single week, because we don't want anybody wondering what to do next. So if 2019 is your year, come check us out, be a part of our community,
Down here.
and see how we invest in real estate. You have a great 2019, finish up 2018 strong, be prepared for it. Again, this is Josh Pride, the real estate guy with Lionfish Investment Group. Have a very Merry Christmas.